As we have come towards the end of the year 2023 and we all are in a Decembering mode, nobody wants to work, and that's why my team is also not in a mood to work, and they have actually made me sit in their cubicle because this time around they have got the mics and they are going to ask me questions. So bring it on. So some of the best installations in 2023, I think we did a lot of them. One of the best advantage that I think 2023 gave us is that we explored so many geographic locations. We went to cities like Rajkot, we went to places like Guntur, we went to places like what else? I think Raipur. That was another installation that I totally loved. We installed a B&W CT series home theater, which is 11.2 channel AV receiver, 7.2.4 configuration with a Sony 4K laser projector. So that I think was one of the great highlight of this year. Apart from that, we did some crazy installations in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, and in Delhi. So I mean, what not? We have covered great locations in India, and I think all of these installations are special, but these are some of them which I would like to highlight. I think the best part about my team at Touchwood Automations is that the core team is very, very strong. So this core team ensures that any addition of new members over a period of time always blends in well with the systems or with the workplace culture. And I see that happening even with the new additions that we have had in this year, be it the videographer, people in our sales department, some people that we have added in the operations team as well as in the service team. All these additions have been fantastic, and I see the same approach that they have, just the way our core team members have, towards ensuring that they cater to our customers very, very well. And I think one of the classiest example, or not just example, but I think the classiest result of that is the Google reviews that I always keep a track on, because these kind of reviews and the personal messages that I get from the customers tells me that my team is also working with the same approach, and I think that's the best interaction that I have with these people to ensure that we have that team bonding to the best level. We also have a great team activity event that we do every month. Last month we went for a trek to Sinhagad, which is a fort nearby. So these are the kind of activities that we do for our team. Well, YouTube journey has always been very, very special because this journey actually tracks our own progress also, and it shows us how we are really connecting well with the Indian audience, because the channel from day one has been a very, very clear focus towards only the Indian home cinema buyers, and we want to educate more and more people. So we achieved 15,000 subscribers this month. That has been one of the best milestone. Apart from that, we again started some more tools and some more playlists to ensure that we resonate with the Indian audience. So we started with the setup tours. So that is one great addition. Another thing that we did is the YouTube live that's happening every month. We got a great calendar in place for our YouTube channel. So yeah, these are some of the best things that have happened in the YouTube journey of 2023. I firmly believe that technology plays a very, very vital role in our day-to-day running of lives as well, and in our office. So we have got a great CRM system in place now. A lot of you would also keep on getting our email reminders or WhatsApp reminders. So that's the email marketing that is already in place. Our social medias are also very, very proactive in ensuring that we are spreading out to more customers on different social media platforms. So these technological advances have been fantastic. We have also got the WhatsApp bot, which we spoke of. Our accounting system is on point. We have actually got compliments for that as well. We have got people saying that your accounting system has been one of the best accounting systems that we have seen in any of our vendors. So these are some of the great technological advancements, and we continue to work more on it. With regards to the AI, so here's a little spoiler that I would like to give you. We are actually coming up with our new revamped website and brand, and that's happening in the next year, by the way. And in that, we are actually incorporating AI. So I know a lot of you would search on best home theater, best projectors, best speakers. So the AI will do the job for you and give you the recommendations. So yeah, we plan to incorporate more of these technology stuff in our day-to-day life. See, one of the key things that I always believe is that products are available everywhere. I mean, there's no reason why you should just buy from us because I'm giving you better price or someone else is giving better price. So price of, or selling boxes or products is least of our priority. We have always believed in elevating our customer services, so we try to innovate these services. So last year we started with 2D design, wherein we create the 2D AutoCAD layouts of your electrical wiring, AV wiring, and a lot of these things. This year we started a 3D design service, so wherein we give you a good walkthrough of your room. We show you how the room would look like. So these are some amazing 3D renders that my designers take care of, and I think that's a fantastic service that we started. Apart from that, this year we also started a virtual installation service. So virtual calibration support, virtual installation support, because lot many times people have got their own equipments and they want to understand that how can I do the settings a little better to improvise the performance. And yeah, we have had some fantastic cases around this. We also started offering virtual calibration as a free support to all the people who are buying just a product from us. So yeah, I think these are great services that we started in this year. There are so many things to do in 2024. First of all, we want to expand our geographic locations, not in terms of the installation that we are anyways doing, but we also want to multiply our experience centers. So we are in a phase to do that. Because one thing we are still missing out is to help people get demos in their city. Now I know everybody wants a test drive before they buy the system, and that's where getting more experience centers is on our cards. How many we don't know, but the target is to at least expand in 2 more locations by the end of next year. Second thing is the new revamped website, which is going to have tons of features. It's not just going to be an e-commerce. So that is something which I'm really working hard on. What else in next year? Well, the teams, obviously, we are looking to add more and more installation engineers from across India. Okay, so you don't have to come to Pune to our workplace. We do have a model wherein you can work from home. So if you're a AV expert, if you are a home theater installation expert, if you want to get into home cinema as a line, or even if you want to start or take care of our YouTube channel, which is in Hindi format, okay, then we are inviting a lot of applications for it. So feel free to reach out to our team using the link in the description, and let's see how we can synergize on that and help this hi-fi community or the home cinema community in India flourish more and more. और कोई क्वेश्चंस हो गए?
अरे सर, आप हिंदी में वीडियोस कब बनाओगे?
हिंदी में वीडियो बनाने के लिए हम लोगों को कोई ऐसा होम सिनेमा एक्सपर्ट चाहिए जो हिंदी में मुझसे ज़्यादा बेटर बात कर सके. तो अगर आपके पहचान में ऐसा कोई है तो उसको भी ये लिंक ज़रूर बता देना, और जल्दी हम लोग YouTube हिंदी चैनल भी चालू कर लेंगे. So well, those were some great questions. If you have got some more which is not related to home theater products or brands, then feel free to share that in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer. And with that, I along with my team will see you all in the next year. Till then, celebrate responsibly and enjoy a great new year. Thank you so much.